So what we can do here, here also if we do 150, now we can going to solve it. So if you go to frequency also here, yeah, so interval if we have like increase, then also it is coming, it has been refined result also here you can see. So in case of that full model, that resonance behavior with natural frequency was, it was 14.667. So here it is also 14.667, and that maximum amplitude there it was 9.7185. Here say 9.753. And what other thing we can do here? So here we can go to cluster results, and cluster results we are going to say yes. Okay, so cluster numbers 4 also here we can increase. So what it will show, it will show like a nearby frequency of 6 at that point, resonance frequency. Okay, or 6 too we can increase 20. So now we are going to solve it. So here you can see clustering at both frequency here. So now it is not possible to get which one it is there. So what we can do, we can create contour results here. Okay, evaluate all results. So here we can see frequency 14.712 and sweeping phase it is showing 854. So it is showing for first frequency. So from here we can get like a frequency that like resonance behavior with natural frequency that is at 14.712 hertz, and also maximum amplitude is 9.8686. So using this kind of thing we can improve the accuracy for this mode superposition analysis, harmonic analysis.